I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub, and today we're helping you figure out which skills intelligence solution is the best fit for your organization. We'll break down key features, strengths, and ideal use cases for each platform. This episode is sponsored by CodeSignal, but as always, we're keeping the comparison fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. Overview: CodeSignal versus Workera. CodeSignal is an AI-native skills platform designed to help organizations hire smarter and develop talent more effectively. It's used by talent acquisition teams, hiring managers, and L&D professionals at companies ranging from high-growth startups to enterprises like Google, Meta, Anthropic, Netflix, and Dropbox. What separates CodeSignal from other tools is that it covers the full skills lifecycle. Instead of stopping at screening, it combines skills assessments, live technical interviews, skills development, and skills intelligence into one platform. The system is built on a foundation of validated science, assessments written by subject matter experts, reviewed by industrial organizational psychologists, and backed by 13 million plus skill evaluation data points. In short, CodeSignal helps answer what skills does this person have, and then helps you make hiring and development decisions accordingly. Workera is a skills intelligence platform founded in 2019. Its positioning is verified skills, not inferred skills, a direct challenge to resume screening, HRIS inference, and point-in-time testing. At the center of the platform is the skills intelligence engine, which includes 4 agents: an assessment agent for hiring, a catalog of skills assessments, an AI studio for building custom assessments, and ambient coaching, which is designed to measure capabilities in the flow of work. Workera reports close to 100% year-over-year revenue growth and counts Fortune 500 workforce transformation teams and government branches like the US Air Force, Space Force, and Marine Corps among its buyers. Key features and differences: CodeSignal versus Workera. Core focus: both platforms aim to address the same underlying problem, i.e. identifying and closing skills gaps. CodeSignal frames itself around validated, real-world skill simulation across the entire talent lifecycle: hiring, interviewing, and learning in one system. It also treats hiring and learning as equally central to the platform, and its Hire Suite and Learn Suite are built with the same depth rather than one being an add-on to the other. In contrast, Workera's hiring capabilities are newer than its L&D roots. Workera puts a lot of emphasis on its always-on skills infrastructure, which replaces inferred signals like job titles or self-reported ratings with continuously verified data. Assessment validation and methodology: CodeSignal's certified evaluations go through 2,800 plus hours of IO psychology-led validation per evaluation, backed by more than 13 million validated skill data points and formal adverse impact studies for EEOC/OFCCP compliance. Workera's platform can build assessments with AI, reviewed by subject matter experts, and human-in-the-loop validation. And its signature catalog spans 100 plus assessments with industry benchmarks drawn from verified skills. If your organization needs assessment scores that can hold up to formal legal or compliance scrutiny, CodeSignal's psychometric validation process tends to be the more rigorous option. If speed of building custom, SME-reviewed assessments matters more than formal IO psychology sign-off, Workera's model may be an acceptable alternative. AI interviewer and structured interviewing: CodeSignal offers an AI interviewer that conducts structured, dynamic interviews with full reports and transcripts across both technical and non-technical roles like sales and finance, alongside live, collaborative technical interviews. Workera does not currently offer an equivalent interviewing product. It's built to measure and verify skill levels, not to conduct interviews. If structured, AI-led, or live interviewing needs to live inside the same platform as your assessments, that's a gap in Workera's current lineup worth knowing about. Learning and development model: CodeSignal's Learn Suite is practice-based and mastery-focused, with learners demonstrating skills through hands-on work guided by its AI tutor. Workera's learning experience leans toward personalized paths and curated content recommendations based on assessed gaps. Workera reviewers on G2 consistently call out the curated learning content and how well the assessments adapt to individual knowledge levels to pinpoint what to study next. The trade-off is philosophical. CodeSignal is built around proving skills through practice, while Workera is built around efficiently pointing people to the right content to close a gap. Role and industry coverage: CodeSignal covers assessment and development across virtually every knowledge role: technical coding, spreadsheets, written communication, and business function scenarios, which means AI-adjacent and AI readiness skills get assessed as part of the same broad framework used for the rest of your workforce, rather than as a separate initiative. Workera has historically been AI and technical skill heavy and is expanding into soft and power skills, but its strongest specialization remains with technical roles. One notable Workera specific offering is its AI Readiness Index Bundle, a benchmarking package, which is purpose-built for organizations that want a standalone, board-ready AI capability baseline. If you want AI readiness assessed as one part of a broader, ongoing skills program, CodeSignal's coverage already includes that. If you specifically want a dedicated, packaged AI readiness benchmarking product, Workera's bundle is built for that use case. Continuous skills measurement. CodeSignal offers continuous skills measurement through ongoing assessment cycles and work artifact analysis tied into HRIS integrations. Workera's comparable feature, ambient coaching, is designed to measure capability continuously and passively as people work, without disrupting daily routines. As of this publishing, ambient is waitlist only and not yet generally available, while CodeSignal's is currently available. If continuous, in the flow of work measurements need to be live in your organization right now, rather than on a roadmap, that's a difference to be aware of. Enterprise security and compliance. CodeSignal's compliance is built around hiring defensibility. Formal adverse impact studies and EEOC/OFCCP documentation sit behind its assessments, which matters if a hiring decision is ever challenged. CodeSignal also receives an annual SOC 2 examination by an independent third party, available to customers on request, with its AWS infrastructure meeting standards including ISO 27001 and others. Workera is SOC 2 Type 2 and ISO 27001 compliant, as well as ISO 42001 for AI governance. Both platforms operate at real enterprise scale. CodeSignal's customers include Anthropic, Capital One, Google, and Meta, while Workera's customers include Deloitte, SoftBank, Honeywell, and more. Analyst takeaway: CodeSignal versus Workera. So, which platform is right for you? It largely comes down to what problem you're trying to solve. Consider CodeSignal if you need psychometrically validated assessment scores that can stand up to legal and compliance scrutiny, want AI-led or live structure interviewing built into the same platform as your assessments, or need skills coverage across every knowledge role, including AI readiness skills, as part of one ongoing program rather than a separate initiative. It's also a strong fit if you want continuous, live skills measurement today, and if documented ROI matters to your evaluation. CodeSignal customers report measurable outcomes like reduced interview time and improved hiring accuracy, and the platform is trusted by growing, mid-market, and enterprise employers. Consider Workera if personalized learning and content recommendations matter more to your L&D strategy than hands-on practice-based training. It's also worth a look if you value a broad, general-purpose certification stack that includes AI governance certification, and if you're comfortable with Ambient's continuous, passive measurement capability still being on a waitlist rather than generally available today as of this publishing. Both platforms offer demos, so the next best step is to see how each fits your hiring workflows and role coverage needs. Check out the links in the description for more resources. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!